Okay, to be honest, I think there will be only two kinds of people that actually clicked through and are seeing this video at this moment. On one hand, there will be a bunch of people that will totally react heavily and say words like scam and this is not true and there's another blah blah blah. And the other kind of people will literally respond and take this opportunity like there's nothing, like there's no tomorrow. So welcome to an experience that is totally unbelievable. The fact is that we're at this moment looking for positive minded, big thinking people that do not bring negative energy to our company, to our network, that are totally willing to throw in their complete heart instead of their head. True leaders that are like-minded, action takers. And there's an opportunity right now to get involved on the highest level possible, to become a founder right now. So make this your financial freedom breakthrough, completely, totally success insured or assured. Make this your moment. This is going to literally turn the whole complete marketing, multi-level marketing and complete media or recruiting or CRM systems or follow-up systems or lead generating system companies completely tipsy-turvy. There has never been anything like it before. Not just another flavor of the day ICO or multi-level marketing company. This is one of the most or the most powerful online marketing machine the world has ever seen, as far as I'm concerned. After many, many years of developing, researching and experiencing and exploring myself, after many, many years, we have our hands on big data, connected artificial intelligence software, AI software, recruiting and lead generating software that is totally unsurpassed as far as I'm concerned right now. We have that in our hands. It will create a shockwave for any online marketing and advertising firm, including Facebook and including YouTube and Google, etc. Now, it is a complete team and business building autopilot piece of software. Automation, the likes the internet, the automation, the way the internet has never seen before, and the way the internet should have been. No monthly subscription costs, no monthly auto ship engagement, or no monthly auto ship pressure or indoctrination, no funny suppression ways and sort of like guilt, shame and remorse tactics in order to maintain your title or create a certain level. You do not have to do that stuff any longer. You don't have to worry about having to do daily tasks like seeing advertisements or placing ads on social media or have to click on stuff. There's no such thing. You literally are seeing, or you literally are looking at an opportunity that is truly 100% hands-free. Mass media campaigns completely done for you. It will literally put your online presence to the next level. Whatever you sell, whatever you represent, whether that's a multi-level marketing company or you are an influencer on YouTube, or maybe you're an affiliate marketer or somebody that is creating an online presence for regular businesses. Perhaps you are a speaker or a motivation speaker or a coach. This will make your online presence up to the point that you can truly say that all your marketing is done for you, while the opportunity is self-contained. So it is not necessarily necessary for you to have a business. It's also here for amateurs, newbies, and people that are like-minded, truly like-minded. Really all done for you. I'm talking about automation to the point that it's doing its own upgrades and complete payouts on autopilot. Literally 100% hand-free, that's all I want to say. So we're presenting at this moment the ultimate residual income opportunity. I can even call it an ultimate passive income opportunity the world has ever seen. So here you go. Just make sure you belong to either one of those two people. The one hand, there will be people that will shout out all their fears. We understand that, and project all kinds of disbelief upon us. And the other group of people, the ones that we're looking for with positivity in their heart, big thinkers that do not want to bring negative energy to the plate. True leaders, like-minded individuals, action takers will respond to this with complete love, and will click through. We'll click through and click on the links underneath this video. Very simple. You're either one or the other. So if and when you're still using the same old broken marketing methods, ask yourself why. We now have a solution that is totally all done for you. So here you go. Just click links underneath this video. When you were sent to this video by somebody that granted you this, then please get a hold of him or her. He or she has a huge surprise for you. It'll blow your hair back and knock your socks off for the next 30 years. We also have exclusive webinars and also recorded webinars. So make sure that you get into the back office and play them and be present. Important to also ask you is to leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number somewhere on this page. When you see this on a page where you can do so, we'll send you appropriate video information, won't spam you. And then hit those thumbs, hit the thumbs up if you can, and become a member of this YouTube channel when you see this on YouTube. When you see this on YouTube, there's also a little word spelled share underneath this YouTube video. You can click on that, probably somewhere here. You can click on that underneath this YouTube video. When you see this on YouTube, there's a little word spelled share. You can click on that, and when you click on that, little social media icons pop up, and you're able to share this on your own social media platforms. Please do so. Sharing is caring. And if you want to rip, or when you want to rip this video off my channel, I think my channel is allowing that, then use one of the videos that I posted here, unless I don't have it in English yet. But anyway, there's a way to rip my videos off my channel and put your own links underneath it with your own registered GoFounder links underneath it to promote it on your own social media that way. So a true wonderful opportunity for positive people, big thinkers. We want big thinkers. It's a founder's position. There's a lot of responsibility. It comes with a lot of responsibility, that are able to represent this wonderful launch. No negative energy. You have to really throw your heart in it instead of your head. Do not be pushed by anybody into this opportunity. Just realize yourself that you have an opportunity to become one of the most wealthiest individuals the world has ever seen, if that's something you are looking for. No promises, no guarantees, obviously, as a disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. No promises, no guarantees, just as a disclaimer. True leaders, welcome. Like-minded individuals that are willing to take action right now. Click links underneath, leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number. Get back to the person that invited you. Welcome to the future. This is amazing, and I'll see you on the journey, on our journey. Together, we're one. Book your founder positions right away. Today, it's an opportunity that is time limited. I repeat, it's time limited, and I'll see you and yours definitely on the most beautiful beaches of the world and in the most beautiful resorts worldwide. Welcome to the future.